The Umsning Block Congress Committee, Ribhoi District, held its general meeting today where they officially announced Rocky A. Marwein as a candidate for the 2025 MDC elections from Umsning constituency. SW Rambai, Congress observer for Ribhoi District, made the formal declaration of Marwein as a Congress MDC candidate in the presence of dignitaries and thousands of supporters. During the event, the committee also unveiled the election calendar and posters. In his address, Marwein expressed his gratitude for the support and assured the people that through the provisions of the 6th schedule and the article, he would work to empower both the region and the state.
District Council, lembak kani ka khanet ka banriu ka constitution ka ban ai ni lembak ka khanet ka banriu ngan pentingna banom ngan penskam ban penjanai ban nangwan ra sipun ki an ban penskam baga jak banriu ka jongi kanam sa telap bat kanam sa kita ha kita kijila don bor jong kani sarkar BJP.
Christmas is